Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your FlySky receiver. First, ensure you have your FlySky transmitter, receiver, and a power source ready. We'll cover the essential components and different receiver types, like the FSI A6B or FSX6B, which offer various channel counts. Preparing your equipment correctly is key to a smooth setup. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and easy to follow for any enthusiast. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary items. You'll need your FlySky transmitter, such as an FSI-6 or FSI-6X, and a compatible FlySky receiver. A stable power source, typically a 5-volt battery or a BEC from your ESC, is crucial for powering the receiver during setup. Don't forget your binding plug or a small tool to press the bind button, depending on your receiver model. Having these ready ensures a smooth start. Now, let's get to the binding process. First, insert the binding plug into the B/VCC port on your receiver. Then, apply power to the receiver. You should see its LED flashing quickly. Next, power on your FlySky transmitter while simultaneously holding down its bind button. Keep holding it until the receiver's LED turns solid, which confirms a successful connection. This usually takes just a few seconds to complete. Once your receiver is bound, remove the binding plug. Now, connect your servos or flight controller to the appropriate channels on the receiver. It's crucial to test each channel thoroughly using your transmitter to ensure everything responds correctly. Move your sticks and switches to verify all movements are as expected. Finally, remember to configure your fail-safe settings. This is a vital safety measure, ensuring your model behaves predictably if signal is lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.